guys, welcome back to another video here on my channel. I wanted to do a quick video of my room tour at the hotel that we're staying at. So we're staying at Lopesan Costa Bavaro here in Punta Cana, and it's absolutely beautiful. Like, it's a really nice hotel. Sorry for the way I look, I just got back from the beach, so I thought I would film the room tour pretty quickly for you guys, because I know, like, when I'm traveling I love to see the room ahead of time. So we're staying at an Oceanview suite and we're in the adults only section. So here's the front door. You basically have a wristband here, and it acts as your room key as well, which is amazing. So you don't have to carry around like those plastic cards to get into your room. It's just on your wrist. So as you come in, this is the view that you get. I'm filming it at night, so I hope the quality is okay. But on the side here, you have a place to put your luggage. And then there are two big pull-out drawers. So right now we're using it for our shoes in there. But that's a lot of nice storage space. And then over here we have a huge mirror. Huge. And then we have a sink. Excuse the mess. We have like a lot of our stuff laid out already. And then we have some towels here and more towels down here. And I love that... sorry, don't look at that. I love that they gave a blow dryer with a diffuser. So I actually couldn't fit my blow dryer into my luggage, and I was kind of bummed about it, but when I got here it came with a diffuser and I was so happy. On the side here we have this nice like frosted glass door, and inside has a toilet. So we have a nice toilet here. It has like two flushing options. I guess one to conserve water and the other one not so much. But yeah, it's really nice. It's pretty big. And I love that this room has pot lights everywhere. So nice. And then on this end here, we have a shower, which is huge. Like, at least 10 people could fit in here. And again, there are pot lights. And I love this. It has a rain, I believe it's a rain shower head. So nice. And then there's also another shower head here. But I love the shower. I love the rainfall shower head. It's super refreshing. And then as we go this way, we have a full-length mirror. And then on this side, we have a huge like wardrobe. So there's so much storage space on top. And then you can hang your clothes and more drawer space. So they actually provide you with a beach bag, which is great. Like, we haven't used it yet because I actually brought my own, but if I didn't bring one, this would be super convenient. And then drawer space, lots of drawer space, drawer space. I wanted to film this tour like right when we got here, but we got in pretty late and I was super tired. And again, another section, they give you an iron and an ironing board. They also provide you with robes, which are really nice, so I actually used that. And then more storage space. We actually just put our backpacks there. And then we have the side table. So there's two side tables on either end, and then we have a king size bed. It's so nice and comfy. And I just love the headboard. It's so cute. I love that like everything kind of correlates with one another in this room, like the colors, the theme. It's very like beachy, and it has the two hanging lights on each side. And then we have a huge flat screen TV, but we haven't actually been watching lots of TV. We also get a coffee maker and some cups. I brought my own tea. I got Tim Hortons peppermint tea, and they give you bottled water as well. And there's more storage over here. And then in here we have the safe. And they give you some wine glasses, which are really nice. And I just have my hair products over there. And then in here you have like a mini bar fridge, which they restock every single day, which is really nice. And there's a lot of countertop space here for you to put things. And there's a little stool. I was telling my boyfriend it would have been perfect if they put a mirror right here and it would kind of be like a little vanity. I could have set up my makeup. But to be honest, I haven't been wearing much makeup since being here. And I just love this light. It's so cute. It's just hanging. And then we have a seating area with a table and a nice painting right here. Really cute. And then we have a lamp, a standing lamp. And we have a table, and I love this couch little area. This couch is so comfortable. You can actually sleep on it. It's huge. And then we have this nice like design art piece on the wall here. Very like beachy. I'm not too sure like what kind of material it is. Is it straw? But it's really nice. And again, pot lights all throughout the room. I love pot lights. They're great. And then we have a huge balcony. Let's see. I think I took footage of this during the day, but this is what it looks like at night. So again, we have another couch here and a table here. And then this is our view. So we have an Oceanview suite, but the ocean is all the way down there. You can't really see it right now, but it's a really nice view. It's beautiful. You get to see the two pools. And then there are two chairs here and another table. I just have like bathing suits drying and a towel drying. But yeah, that's the room, and that's the view from when you come out from the balcony. So yeah, that's the room, guys. I absolutely love it. There's a lot of space. There's a lot of storage space. Oh, I forgot to show you guys. You can actually control the temperature and the light system with this little device here. It's really cute. I haven't used it. My boyfriend's been playing with it. And then there are USB sockets everywhere, so you can charge your phone. But yeah, and then, oh, I also wanted to show you guys, they have this sign right here. It's on the nightstand. And basically they're all about like protecting the environment and not wasting if not needed. So if you don't need your linen changed, or if you don't need your towels changed, you can just leave it and they'll like tidy up the room, but leave your linen the same and your towels the same. And then if you do want it changed, you just leave this sign on your bed and they'll change it for you. But yeah, I thought that was really, really nice. I'm gonna go into detail about the hotel in another video, but I do definitely see them trying to do like things to protect the environment. And for example, there are no plastic straws used at this resort. They use all paper, which I thought was really nice because you don't really see that at resorts. Usually when they serve the drinks, they use plastic and that's about it. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this room tour. I hope I don't look too crazy. I've been out in the sun all day and I'm tired, so I have to go get dressed now and go for dinner. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and yeah, I'll do another video about the resort and everything like that. But I just want to show my room tour because I love, especially if you're planning on staying at Lopesan. They show pictures online, but I think it's nice to kind of like get a first-hand view of the room from someone who's actually staying here. Yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.